Income Tax Act 2025 revision sets new tax slabs effective from 1st April 2026. Income range tax rate up to 4 lakh nil, 4 lakh to 8 lakh 5%, 8 lakh 12 lakh 10%, 12 lakh to 16 lakh 15%, 16 lakh to 2 lakh 20 lakh 20%, 20 lakh to 24 lakh 25%, above 24 lakh 30%. And then full rebate up to 60,000 for resident individual earning up to 12 lakh. Surcharge applicable on income above 2 crores. Cess health education cess 4% tax payable. All tax slabs for the comparison income range tax rate up to 2.5 lakh nil, 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20%, above 10 lakh 30%. Exemption and deduction new regime categories. Status in new regime. Standard deduction salary 75,000, allowed family pension 15,000, 1/3 of the pension whichever is lower. Employer NPS contribution up to 10% of salary. Leave encashment exemption up to 25 lakh. 80C deduction LIC PPF ELSS ETC is not available right now. 80D medical insurance not available. HRA LTA home loan interest removed. Then corporate tax summary. Entity type tax rates: domestic company 22%, new manufacturing company 15%, minimum alternate tax is 9%, LLP partnership firm is 30% tax slabs. Quick notes and key highlights: rebate up to 60,000 for income less or equal to 12 lakh. Resident individual no separate slab for senior citizens in a new regime. Old regime with exemption is still optional but discouraged. Digital filings and faceless assessment are default. Capital gain simplified uniform indexation rules retains. PAN Aadhaar integration mandatory. New act replaces the new 1961 act, old act, effective from 1st April 2026.